Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can set pattern for your lock screen on Android phone. So guys, first of all, go to your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to look for the lock screen setting, this one. Tap on the lock screen setting. Then you're going to click on the screen lock type. And since we want to set pattern, we can tap on the pattern option. It's over here. Then you can draw your unlock pattern, and after that you can click on continue and you can draw the pattern again to confirm it. Okay, and after that you can click on confirm and you have to wait until the process complete. Okay, and if this menu appear on your screen, you just need to click on done. Then as you can see guys, now the screen lock type has been changed and now you have to draw pattern if you want to unlock your screen. Alright guys, and that's how we can set pattern for our lock screen on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.